Hello students, now we are solving question number 18 of the chapter Admission of a Partner. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. A new partner C is admitted. A gives 1/5 of his share and B gives 2/5 of his share in favor of C. For the purpose of C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 75,000 and C brings his share of goodwill in cash which is retained in the business. Generalize the above transactions. A और B दो पार्टनर थे इस क्वेश्चन में, C एक नया पार्टनर आ गया उस क्वेश्चन में. A अपने हिस्से में से कुछ हिस्सा देगा C को, B अपने हिस्से में से कुछ हिस्सा देगा C को. Now we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio, and after that we have to maintain journal entries. A और B 3:2 में बांटते थे. This is their old profit sharing ratio. Now C is admitted for 1/5 share and A gives 1/5 of his share. A gives 1/5 of his share. A अपने शेयर का 1/5 देगा C को. A का शेयर क्या है? 3/5 का 1/5 यानी 3/25 A will be given to C. In the same manner, B gives to C 2/5 of his share. B जो है अपने शेयर का 2/5 देगा. It means B देगा 4/25. C's रेशियो, जो नया पार्टनर है C, उसको A से मिल गया 3/25, B से मिल गया 4/25. It means his new ratio is 7/25. A का न्यू रेशियो, A का जो ओल्ड रेशियो था वो 3/5 था, उसमें से A ने दे दिया 3/25. The LCM is 25. B का न्यू रेशियो, B का जो ओल्ड रेशियो था 2/5, उसमें से B ने 4/25 दे दिया. The LCM is 25. That is 6/25. Now we have new ratio of A, B and C. That is 12/25 is to 6/25 is to 7/25. 12 is to 6 is to 7. This is the new profit sharing ratio between A, B and C. Now we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. As we all know, the sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. For A, old ratio is 3/5 and the new ratio is 12/25. The LCM is 25. This is 3/25. Sacrificing ratio for B is 2/5 minus the new ratio of B will be 6/25. The LCM is 25. 4/25. Sacrificing ratio between A and B are 3/25 and 4/25. It means 3:4. Now we have to pass journal entries. First of all, new partner C will bring his share of goodwill in cash. The total goodwill of the firm is 75,000. The ratio of C is 7/25. Total goodwill is 75,000. C's goodwill, what is the ratio of C? That is 7/25. That is 21,000. The goodwill of C is 1,000. It is bring by C and retained in the business. We have to pass journal entries for this transactions. न्यू पार्टनर सी 21,000 रुपीज की गुडविल को कैश में लेके आया फर्म में, तो एक एंट्री तो बनती है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट. Being goodwill brought by new partner. $21,000. जनरल एंट्रीज वाले कॉलम मैंने खींचे नहीं है, आप लोग खींच लेना अपने आप. The next entry to distribute this premium for goodwill between the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Premium for goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital. Being goodwill distributed. Premium for goodwill is rupees 21,000. It is distributed between the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. The sacrificing ratio are 3:4, 3/7 and 4/7. That is 9,000 and 12,000. That's it.